Hi to everyone, welcome to my channel, glad to see you here again. If you're watching my videos for the first time, I want to say that all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video, and I want to show you how to make money with the binary option platforms. So I will make the blind bet right now, considering okay, I think that trend will go up. If you see this line, yeah, I just scrolled out a little bit and we can see the trend is up going. So you can make your bets considering this information, but not always predictions are right. In that case, as you see, I've lost $100 right away, right from the start, and it's not so bad. Okay, I will explain how to make deal with that. You need to make amount of your bet 2.5 times bigger than it was. In that case, you can bring back your money with the next bet. And let's try to make our bet right in front of this expiration timeline. In that case, if you see those sharp movements and fast movements of the market, that means that it will correct in the opposite way. This is the most easiest way to make your own predictions. Of course, before you'll start to try to trade on the real money, you need to try the practice account. That was close, but not all right. 88% of profit. That means, for example, $650. All right, in that case I will bring back my 2 previous bets that I've lost. Okay, that's great. The best way to make my bet was right here, as you see. But I think that market will go up because you remember the trend is up going. The long way trend is up going, as you see. If you lost your bet, it's no big deal. Just don't panic. Don't panic and act wise. All right. Oh, nice. This is very cool. This is just very cool. Let's wait a little bit. All those sharp movements are just great. That can be a sign that you need to make your bet right opposite way. Time is over. Please try again later. Okay, as you can see, the market just fell down right away. It was deep movement. Okay, 40 seconds, 39. I hope that the trend will still be right here, and that means that the market will go up for sure, just for sure. 27 seconds. It's going down. And I believe that this movement wasn't just like that. There will be a correction. Okay, I've made my bet with $1,500. If I'll win this bet, I will get back all the money that I've spent for my previous bets that wasn't correct, and I will make a profit. So just a couple seconds. This is the beauty of all those platforms, binary option platforms, that you can make money just in couple clicks and couple minutes, just couple minutes. And here we go. Here we go. Plus, and that is great. Already I have more money that was from the start. If you want, you need to change your amount back, just to trade step by step. Don't be in hurry, don't make fast, don't act too fast. You need to be wise. And as you see, the price fell down, and just now this is the side moves. Trade on the side moves is a little bit difficult, okay, because you cannot be specific and the price is not jumping fast. But anyway, you need to scroll back to see what's going on, what's happening. There was a serious movement. There was, as you see, there was a serious movement down, and that means that the price will go up for sure. But as we can see right now, there is a side move. You can just wait the time for the next bet, or you can take a risk and make your bet right away. I'll take a risk, and I think that market will go up because there's need to be a correction. There's need to be a correction. I like to trade step by step, just to be specific, to be in the comfortable position. It's better to like trade step by step than to trade like on big amounts of money and nobody knows. As you see, I was close, but there's a loss. Okay, let's make one more bet. And as I said previously, you need to make your bet 2.5 times bigger to get back your money that you've spent. Alright, there's a movement. There's a movement just in front of this line. Just in front of this line. Alrighty then. It's not enough time. Okay, we'll wait 1 minute. And we'll make new bet. You see this widget? It shows all the traders' opinions. Okay, this is all the traders that are on the platform. This is all decisions that they're making right now in this time. To trade on the short frame times is a little bit more difficult, and in the next videos I will show you how to use the signals. But to be like easier, I'm showing you how to trade from the basics. You see the side move. This is not so interesting to make prediction, but I think that market will go up. I'm making my bet right now. I pressed the call button. That means that the price needs to be higher than it was when I've made my bet. So if I won this bet, I will get back my money and make more profit. Okay, let's see, 12 seconds we have, and it's difficult. You see, it's close. No way. Alright, I've spent $250 more. That means I need to make my bet about 2.5 times bigger. One more time. Let's try one more time. Let's try one more time. Higher. The price will go higher. When we are waiting, I want to say that all the useful links are under this video at the description panel. And if you want to try it, first of all, try the training account, okay? After you have your experience, after you will understand how these platforms work and how all this works, you can try to make first deposit and try to trade on the real money. I can afford. Alright, it's 100% profitable. You see, this is strange and difficult situation. In that case it's difficult to predict because it's side moves. This is side moves, and on those side moves as well it's difficult to trade because nobody knows. But I've made my prediction and I believe that the price will go up. Couple seconds and we will see. Everything can change, but alright. This is the great ending of the video. I've got my 1,500 bucks in couple clicks. Even if you consider that I've lost couple times, I've lost my bet couple times, but in general I've made profit. Okay, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, click the notification button, and wish you good luck. Be careful, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, and see you in the next video.